Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a little bit of a different video. We're doing an unboxing. Normally I have a tutorial or a review or some kind of clothing haul, but I just received a box I am so excited for in the mail from one of my favorite skincare retailers of all time. Honestly, actually my favorite skincare retailer. So I figured I would unbox with you, chat about the products. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name's Angelica Fitzgerald, and if not, welcome back. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below to keep up with my future videos. That also supports my channel, so there's that. But if you're ready to do a little unboxing, talk about some skincare products, let's do it. Okay, first off, can we talk about how Stanley's taking over the world? I feel like these cups are so hyped up, like definitely overhyped, but they are a fantastic cup. I've had mine for like maybe a month now. I got it for Mother's Day actually, so a little over a month, and I don't know what it is about it, but now I can't live without it. It's like my emotional security cup. So if you're in the same boat of being obsessed with a cup, let me know, because it's weird, but it's amazing at the same time. And I definitely do drink more water when having my big 40-ounce gallon with me all the time. So, nice random way to start the video. But my favorite skincare retailer, SkinStore. They are basically like the Sephora or Ulta of skincare. They have, in my opinion, the best skincare brands. They have all the way from super budget friendly to ultra luxury skincare and everything in between. They also have a lot of hair care products as well. They also do cover some beauty, but their core is like skincare. I've shopped there for years. Every single skincare product I own, like, no, I wouldn't say that. I would say like 90% of the skincare products I own are from SkinStore. They carry some of my favorite brands: SkinCeuticals, Dermalogica, Grow Gorgeous, Espa, Babber, like Caudalie, like you name it, and they pretty much have it. So the box that they sent me, which this is a gifted box, it is their best of 2023 box. So they actually emailed me asking what my favorite products from SkinStore are. And they also asked if there were some brands that I haven't tried that I'd like to try out, which of course, I'm always very excited to try out new products and share my thoughts with you on the channel. So this video is not sponsored because I have no obligation to film this, but they did gift this to me and I figured I'd open it with you guys. So let's see what's inside. I have no clue what they sent. Best of 2023. Okay, I'm super excited. Holy moly, I can already tell this is a great box. So the first thing I see off the bat is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream SPF. Elemis is one of those super hyped up popular brands that I've actually never used. So this was something that I had been very interested in trying, an Elemis product. It's an anti-aging product. So it's an SPF for fine lines, wrinkles. It firms, smooths, and hydrates the skin. I have so many friends that use Elemis that I've been wanting to try it. I just, you know, I mentioned like a creature of habit, and I love my current skincare products that just haven't gotten around to trying it, but we're gonna try it. So I am gonna put this on my face. Not everything in here is skincare, so I'm not gonna be able to use all of it today, but for the stuff that's face related, we'll use today. So I'm gonna take everything out first and then we'll put on and do some first impressions of what's in here. So very, very excited about this. Next is Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. I have used this before. This is like a staple. It's so good. It's like a hair treatment. You can use it as often as you'd like. I personally do it like once a month, but I've seen girls that have finer or thinner hair that want the treatment more often. So I think you can use this like as often as once a week. It's not a shampoo, it's not a conditioner, it's a bond builder. So essentially what it's doing is strengthening your hair. You use it on your hair before you use a shampoo and conditioner. So you put it in, leave it there for a little while, and then rinse it out in the shower and do your normal hair routine. And it's really, really good. So if you're looking for some type of extreme treatment to do on your hair that really strengthens and builds up the strength of your hair, I would suggest this. It's meant for all hair types, straight, curly, thick, thin, long, short. It's meant for all hair types and it's really good. So I'm gonna link this below if you are in need of that. A little sample of the SkinCeuticals CE ferulic acid. I've done an entire video on the SkinCeuticals serums. They are so good. SkinCeuticals is truly my favorite skincare brand ever. They've been my go-to since, let's see, maybe like 2019, 2018. They're fantastic. They are a little bit of a pricier brand, but they're a you get what you pay for kind of brand. And their products, I swear, I notice a difference after one use. There's none of this like, let me see if something happens over a month of using their products. It is like one use and you can already notice a difference in your face. The CE ferulic serum is fantastic. It's essentially a vitamin C serum. They have a couple different other ones that are meant to target different needs of your skin. So they have the CE ferulic serum, they have the Floritin CF serum, and they have the Silymarin serum. There's a lot of tongue twisting words right there. But they're all vitamin C serums that do a little bit of a different thing depending on your skin type or what you're trying to accomplish. The Floritin CF serum has personally always been my favorite, but I have used the CE ferulic serum many, many times and it works fantastic, especially with their vitamin B5 serum. That's like a hydrating serum. It's like a hyaluronic acid basically, and the two together, so good. So if you are interested in any SkinCeutical products, I will find those videos. They're kind of old, so you might need to pardon how I talk in those videos because I feel like I used to be very animated on YouTube, like very over the top in how I spoke, and I don't think I'm like that anymore. And when I'm talking about this, I make them sound like they're the greatest thing since sliced bread, which I do think that, but I've just learned to communicate it over a little differently. So I'll find those videos and link them in the description so you can learn all about the products. I'll also link this below. So if you click on them, the descriptions in the actual like product link is very detailed and very informative, but I have had a wonderful experience with SkinCeuticals. They're my favorite skincare brand to date. Okay, next is Skin Medicare. I don't know what this is. Rejuvenating Hydrator. What is this? Well, they put a sticker right over the little explanation thing. So let's try and get it off. Dang it. So I did my nails last night. I'm trying to let them heal a little bit from putting actual tips on them, and I just painted them myself, which, you know, is not as pretty as getting them done, but it does the job. Like, they just look clean and it's like a light pink color. And when I picked this thing down, it just ripped off half the color. Didn't even last 24 hours. Will not be suggesting this nail polish to anybody. Okay, so it says this is a rejuvenating hydrator meant for all skin types. It's clinically tested. There's 5 forms of hyaluronic acid that work synergistically to enhance the look and feel of skin. You apply it before or after moisturizer. Let's see what kind of, oh, it's just a little pump. Okay, so it's like a serum, essentially. It's a hydrating serum, which honestly I think will be great for my skin because, as I've mentioned, once I birthed my beautiful baby boy, my skin texture kind of changed. It went from super oily to super dry, which honestly I believe a lot of that has to do with my diet and how I am taking care of myself a lot better postpartum than I did pre-pregnant. And my diet's just filled with much better foods in general, so I don't even break out or have blemishes like I used to, which has been great. So moving on, we only have 2 more things. This is a short little unboxing, but I'm having fun. I hope you guys are. So next thing is Beauty Stat. It's a universal C skin refiner. So this is a vitamin C L-ascorbic acid. It brightens, retexturizes, and what is that? Firms the skin. So it sounds kind of similar. I need a pair of scissors, but sounds kind of similar to the SkinCeuticals product. Now I am gonna look this up because I want to see what the price point on it is. Okay, so this is $85. I believe the SkinStore one is $150. Not for this, this is just a travel size. The actual jar is a lot bigger than this, but the actual jar I believe is $150. So it is almost double the price. So I am anxious to see how this works. I will use it, and obviously right now I can't give an honest review. So if you want to know thoughts on this, let me know. I can make a dedicated video to this, but I won't. Obviously, I don't have any thoughts on it right now, other than it is half the price of the SkinStore one. And I do hold the SkinStore brand and their products at like the most high because they've just worked that well for me. So let me know if you want that in the comments below. All right, we have a Rejuvenating Cosmetics. It's a double-ended volume set of, I'm assuming, something with lashes. Let's see what's actually in here. Ooh. Ooh, this is so fancy. Let me get it out, there we go. Okay, so this side, you can see, is the mascara, and this side is a primer. You know, I feel like primers are one of those things right now. That primer is blue. What? What? Look at that. I don't know if you could tell. The primer is blue. Oh my gosh. I like this just because it's blue. I don't even know how well it works, but I feel like primers are the new thing you need. I've seen so many brands come out with them. I've heard the best one is the Lancome one, which I love Lancome. Okay, and then here is the mascara. So I have been needing to try a lash primer, so this is perfect. I needed this. I am really, really, really excited to try this. If you've tried this, Rejuvenating, let me know how you like it. And again, anything in this video you want me to talk more on, let me know. I will happily make a video dedicated to it. And the item I have been dying to take out most because it has been smelling up my room to smell glorious is a Nest candle. This is the scent Bamboo. Nest is my favorite. I don't know if y'all can, no, you can't really see it from the video, but I always have a Nest candle on my vanity, like one of the little travel ones, because it smells so good. It makes any room smell like heaven. Like someday when I go to heaven, I think it's gonna smell like Nest, because this is just the most amazing smelling candle on earth. I've never had the shade Bamboo before actually, so it smells glorious. It's been making this box smell amazing since I opened it. And that is it in this box. We have a candle, we have Olaplex, LMS, Rejuvenating, Beauty Stat, SkinStore, and Skin Medicare. We are gonna go in with the LMS collagen. SPF, I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but it's a pro collagen cream too, which I always use a collagen cream before I do my makeup, and I highly recommend a good collagen cream. As we age, that is one of the things our body naturally produces less of, hence why we age and why we look older. So good products with collagen are definitely something you should look into. Ooh, it's like super creamy. All right, so I have nothing on my face. I actually cleaned it before this video because I wasn't sure what was gonna be in the box, and I wanted to be able to try at least one product on with you. Let's see how this works. I'm super picky about SPFs because I don't like them to leave a film or anything like that. All right, it's probably enough. Okay, I am gonna need to do like a wear test with this with my makeup, because on its own, I'm like in love. I feel like my face is glowing. It makes my skin have this very glowy feel to it. And I know old me would have been like, absolutely not under makeup. It's gonna make me look like an oily mess. in an hour, but I'm currently love things that hydrate my face like this, because you can always mattify, you know, your makeup with makeup that does that, but keeping this glow to the skin is, it's really pretty, to be honest. I am gonna do a wear test on this. Head to my Instagram. I am gonna do the wear test over there. I'll put my handle here. If this video is a little older though, and you're watching this like a couple months after, just put a comment down below and I'll let you know how it worked for me. But I'm excited to see over time if it actually really improves little lines that I am starting to develop, just like, you know, your squinty laugh lines, your little smile lines. I'm excited to see if it does refine or, you know, smooth those out with continuous gradual use. So I will keep you guys updated. If you want a dedicated video to this, it's gonna take some time because obviously I have to use the product, but I would be more than happy to do that. And that concludes today's unboxing. All the products that I'm familiar with that came with the box, I love. So I'm glad to have some refills because I was gonna buy them anyways. And for some of the new products, like the Beauty Stat and the Skin Medicare, I'm excited to try these for the first time. So if you enjoyed this video, you want me to do more unboxings, let me know. I had a lot of fun opening this and seeing what the best of SkinStore 2023 was. If there are any products you want me to try from SkinStore, let me know. And again, if you want me to have a dedicated video to any of these products, let me know that as well. Everything in this box is linked in the description box if you want to check any of these products out. But other than that, I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much for hanging out, and I'll see you in next week's video. Bye.